In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Jotform Workflows. By the end, you'll have your form responses and files flowing straight into your Drive, neatly organized and easy to find. Start by opening your form in the Jotform form builder. Make sure you are on the correct form you want to connect. At the top, go to Settings. On the left panel, click Integrations in the search bar. Type Google Drive and select the Google Drive integration from the results. This brings you to the setup screen where you'll connect your account and choose how your files are organized. Next, authenticate your Google account. Click Authenticate. Sign into your Google account and grant the requested permissions. These permissions allow Jotform to create folders and upload files on your behalf. Choose the account that should own and store these files if you work with a team. Pick the account that your team will have access to. You can always manage permissions later in your Google settings if needed. Once connected, configure your integration settings. First, set the folder name. This is the root folder in Google Drive where everything will be saved. Use a clear, consistent name, like the form title or a project name. So it's easy to recognize. If the folder doesn't exist, it will be created for you. Then decide if you want to create subfolders for each submission. Enabling this option will generate a separate folder per response, and you can base the folder name on form fields such as name or date. Choosing a unique identifier helps avoid duplicates and keeps everything tidy. If you handle sensitive data, consider using a non-sensitive field for naming while keeping the content secure inside the folder. Now choose what to send. You can send a PDF copy of the submission, the uploaded files, or both. The PDF is a snapshot of all the answers in a single document. Great for record keeping or reviews. Uploaded files are the attachments your respondents submit: images, documents, or other files. If storage is a concern, pick only what you truly need. If you need a complete record, select both. When you are happy with your choices, click Add Action, and then click Save. This activates the integration. From this point forward, new submissions will automatically appear in your Google Drive, following the folder structure you just set up. That's it. You've connected Jotform to Google Drive and streamlined your workflow.